Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Toyota Corolla. First, adjust your seat so you can comfortably reach the pedals and have a clear view of the road. Next, always fasten your seatbelt securely. It's a crucial safety step. Then, check your rear view and side mirrors to ensure you have excellent visibility all around your vehicle. Finally, take a moment to locate essential controls like the headlights, wipers, and hazard lights. To begin, insert your key and turn it to the on position, then continue to start to ignite the engine. If your Corolla has an automatic transmission, make sure the gear selector is in park or neutral before starting. Always press the brake pedal firmly with your right foot before shifting into drive or reverse. Finally, release the parking brake by pressing its button and lowering the lever completely. Once in drive, gently press the accelerator pedal with your right foot to begin moving forward smoothly. Remember to maintain a safe following distance of at least 3 seconds from the vehicle in front of you. Hold the steering wheel with both hands, ideally at the 10 and 2 o'clock positions, for optimal control. Always signal your turns and lane changes well in advance to inform other drivers of your intentions. To stop, gradually ease your foot off the accelerator pedal and gently press the brake pedal with your right foot. Apply smooth, controlled pressure to bring the vehicle to a complete stop. Once stopped, shift the gear selector into park if you have an automatic transmission. Finally, engage the parking brake firmly to secure your Corolla, especially on inclines, ensuring it remains safely in place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.